My dear students, I welcome you all for watching my class. I am going to take an English class for the students of class 9 and 10. Today I will talk about a lesson from English first paper. I am Muhammad Shahinul Islam, Assistant Teacher, Horiman Government High School, Sabai Nawabganj. My dear students, look at the picture and talk about it. What is the picture about? What is the place in the picture? Why was it built? So what is the picture about? You can easily say that this is our Shahid Minar. What is the place in the picture? Place is in the Dhaka Medical College. Place is Dhaka Medical College. Why was it built? It was built to show respect to the language martyrs. So as we have seen that this is our Shahid Minar. So Shahid Minar is related to, try to say, 21st February. So our today's lesson is International Mother Language Day, which we observe on 21st February. So Unit 3, Lesson 3. International Mother Language Day 1. Now read the passage. So we will read the passage, but before start reading the passage, I am going to explain some new words which will be easier, which will help you to understand the passage. Now, memorable. So what is memorable? Memorable means unforgettable. Look at the image, landing on the moon. So this is an event which we remember. So memorable, that means unforgettable. Tribute. Tribute means honor, to show respect. Declare. Declare means announce. Gathering. Gathering means collecting. Spark. Spark means flame. Spark means flame. Now we will read the passage. 21st February is a memorable day in our national history. So 21st February is a day which we remember, and this is a national holiday, and this is a very memorable day in the history of our nation. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. Now we observe this day as International Mother Language Day. This day is a national holiday. This day is a holiday. Of course, in our educational institution, we observe this day. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. So on this day, we show respect to the people who sacrificed their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan, and this event took place in 1952. The struggle to achieve our language right is known as a language movement. So what is language movement? The struggle to achieve our language rights is known as language movement. Well, the seed of language movement was shown on 21st March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. So Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the then Governor General of Pakistan, he declared that only Urdu would be the state language of Pakistan. So these events took place in 21st March 1948. The declaration raised a storm of protest in eastern part of the country. So as a result of this declaration, there raised a storm of protest in the East Pakistan. The protest continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. The protest continued without any break, and it gathered strength day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The protest turned into a movement, a mass movement we can say, and reached its climax in 1952. The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies to stop it. Then the government banned all sorts of public meetings and gatherings and rallies to stop the movement. The students of Dhaka University defied the law and brought out a peaceful protest procession on 21st February 1952. The students of Dhaka University defied the law. They refused to obey the law and brought out a peaceful protest procession on 21st February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, Safir and Zabbar. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police then started firing on the students. As a result, Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, Safir and Zabbar were killed. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country and the government had to declare Bangla as a state language. After the killing of Rafiq, Barkat, Salam, Zabbar, they raised a protest all over the country and the government had at last had to accept Bangla as the state language. This kindled the spark of independence movement of Bangladesh. This kindled the spark of independence movement of Bangladesh. These incidents inspired our people to fight for independence of our country. Okay, my dear students, we have read the passage. Now, look at the following activity. Activity C. Complete the chart. Time and what happened. (1947). So, what is the event in 1947? And now 1948 and 1952. So there are 3 years, that is 1947, 1948 and 1952. And in the right column there are gaps. You have to fill the gaps with the with the name or description of the event. So try, and I am giving you the answer. So look at the answer. Time, what happened? So 1947, Pakistan and India become independent. And 1948, Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. And 1952, the students of Dhaka University brought out a procession on 21st February. Okay, my dear students, we have completed the chart, and now activity D, match the words with their meanings. So tribute. So there are some words and you have to match the word with their meanings. So tribute. Tribute means to show respect, and climax means the most exciting point in time. Outlaw, that means ban. Defy, to refuse to obey. Provoke means cause or to stimulate. Relent, that means to give in. Momentum, the ability to keep increasing or developing. So now look at the answer. Tribute means an act to show respect or admiration. Okay. Climax. Climax means the most exciting point in time. Outlaw. Outlaw means to ban. Defy. Defy means to refuse to obey. Provoke means to cause or to stimulate. Relent means to give in. Momentum means the ability to keep increasing or developing. So, my dear students, we have completed activity D, and now we will pass on to activity E. So, in activity E, answer the questions. Why do we observe 21st February as International Mother Language Day? We observe 21st February as International Mother Language Day to show respect to our language martyrs. What happened when Urdu was declared as the only state language of Pakistan? Yes, when Urdu was declared as the only state language of Pakistan, there raised a storm of protest in East Pakistan. The seat of independence was shown on 21st February 1952. Do you agree? Why? Of course, you must agree, because it is because on this day, by protesting the one-sided decision of the West Pakistan, and by achieving Bangla as the state language, sacrificing life, the people of East Pakistan learned how to struggle against illegal and wrong decision and oppression of the West Pakistan. And they have also understood that they had to fight for their rights. And the people of East Pakistan even dared to dream of being free from the West Pakistan. So we can say that the seed of independence was shown on 21st February 1952. Okay, now my dear students, look at the image. This is the image of a home. So you have easily understood that I am going to give you a home task. Homework. The seat of independence was shown on 21st February 1952. Do you agree? Why? So you just think about this question and write 6 or 7 sentences explaining the statement. So no more today, my dear students. Thank you. So thank you very much. Stay at home, stay safe, don't go out without any reason. In case of emergency, put on mask first and then go out and return home as quickly as possible. So thank you so much.